Hi everybody, I'm Aaron Fisk, Worldwide RV, Mesa, Arizona. This is a Seneca made by Jayco. It is the best Super C on the planet. Just under 40 feet of pure fun. Alcoa wheels, Sickens paint, automotive bonded windshield up top. Come on down. We're gonna step inside this 37M Seneca. Some pretty good livability in this high-end luxury coach. We have day-night shades. We have cup holders integrated in our couches with USB chargers. Notice it's minimal carpet, so you can sweep everything right out. Beautiful tile with a great fireplace. Come on back here, let's show you something else. Porcelain toilet. Have a look at that elegant bathroom there. Top level quality for sure. Back in the bedroom here you have his and hers closet and wardrobes. Nice little usable desk right here. And we are already set up, if you'd like to go tomorrow. We have a built-in washer and dryer. Come on down and see me, Aaron, Worldwide RV.